Welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. Today we're doing our bonfire night special. Today's recipe is banging bangers. Stay tuned and I'll bring you the recipe. Today's recipe is banging bangers. The ingredients are 8 sausages or bangers, 1 tin of potatoes, 3 carrots, 1 onion, 2 peppers and some oil. I'm using tin potatoes today because we always have them in the shop and we sometimes don't have normal potatoes, so I just thought we'd use the stock we have. Take your sausages and place on a tray. Chop the carrots, keeping them quite chunky. Spread a little bit of oil on your baking tray. And coat the veg in oil. Again with the peppers, chop. You can adjust the quantities for your family needs. Obviously, the bigger the family, the more veg you need. Other things you could put with this are parsnips, sweet potato, butternut squash, even leftover pumpkin. When you chop your onion, if you leave just a little bit of root at the end, that will keep it from separating. It really does make a difference. So if you see there, the root still, so it's keeping it all together. Place on the tray. Put your potatoes on. Obviously for a larger family, you'd use more tins. Pop these in the oven at 200 for approximately 25 minutes. This is great while you're having fun with your sparklers. It could be cooking while you're busy. Anyway, stay safe. Thank you.